Alright guys, officially boosted performance now. No more Soho kit. First turn on. Does it start? Ooh, shit. Fire, bro. What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Speedy46 coming to with another video, man. And in today's video, I am super excited, man. We got something good in store finally. We are going to be putting on the new turbo kit on the IPL to make this thing finally fast like it's supposed to be. Super excited about that. So we're heading to Unique Motorcourse right now to go ahead and put the turbo kit on. I'm also going to be shipping out the raffle or the giveaway winners turbo kit, the Soho Stage 1. So shout out to you for winning it. If you guys didn't follow me on Instagram, I did do live on there. So shout out to him. So we're going to be shipping out the turbo kit this week. And I forgot to actually film something earlier this week, so I'll play this clip real quick because this is me dropping off the stuff earlier this week. So I'll play this clip, and yeah.
Flashback.
We just got to Unique right now, dropping off the new turbo kit and taking off the old turbo kit because we're going to be shipping it off to the giveaway raffle winner. So shout out to him. Piping from Boosted Performance. This is the cold side. Obviously, we have the manifold, the hot side right here, and all the counts and stuff like that. So pretty dope. Pretty dope, pretty dope. All the cold side piping. Oh! So this is all the cold side piping from the Soho kit. So we're gonna actually ship this one out, stuff like that, to the giveaway winner. And we're gonna use this box. So, but yeah, these are all the new stuff for the Boosted Performance kit. Using this turbo right here. Look at it. Difference in size. Look at the difference. So this is the difference. See the hot side on this turbo? See how small it is compared to this hot side? That's the difference. So that's why I kept cracking my head gasket, because I kept building a lot of back pressure because I was trying to push like 17 to 20 pounds of boost through this little ass turbo. So that was causing a lot of back pressure. So hopefully this helps out. And we're still gonna drop the boost probably to like 14 pounds. So hopefully it helps. But we'll see, man. We'll see.
End of flashback.
Right now we're heading there right now to Unique. We're gonna go ahead and put everything on, so let's get into it. So we just put up to the shop right now. About to get ready to start putting on the kit. So we got the new turbo kit right here, and then this is the old turbo kit. This is where we're gonna be sending off to the winner of the giveaway. And then we're actually gonna be using my downpipe from my old kit to see if it's gonna fit. I gotta get it fabricated, but yeah. So far, Jesse's got the manifold on, the turbo manifold. So, yeah, this is where the turbo's gonna sit, right here, basically. It's gonna sit right here. So, pretty dope. Start unwrapping everything, because I did get this brand new from Soho. I did get this brand new from Boosted Performance inside of Sasha. He actually hooked it up with the cold side piping brand new, so we're gonna start moving everything right now. So, yeah. All right, guys, so far we got the turbo manifold on with the turbo. Shoo. Hell yeah. Shoo. Oh, it burned forever. Oh, weak. Yes, sir. Got the intercooler on with the intakes. I was getting the charge pipes. Real quick, I just want you guys to know, this is the Soho intercooler. It used to be flipped this way, but you can actually flip it this way to fit the car for the Boosted Performance kit. And this is how mine's mounted up, like that. So, just in case you guys get in the same situation as me, so a Soho intercooler will work with the Boosted Performance kit. You just gotta turn it upside down. Putting this on right now and running into a little problem. We're hitting right there. So I'm gonna just trim a little bit of piece right here. I'm just taking off this little subframe race bar. I'm gonna cut it later to really be able to fit, but right now, it fits right now without it on there. Got all the routing basically done. This pipe right here, and it's gonna fit this right over here. Right there, and go into the intercooler. And then the cool thing about this kit is that it comes pre-dented because it knows you need a dent right there to fit it. Cool. Hey guys, a little bit of progress. Jesse's a fucking animal. Got the piping in. This piping right here was kind of a pain in the butt, pain in the ass, but we got it on there. And yeah, this is the last piece, and then we'll just put this piece on. That's it. Super easy. You just put a dent in the shit. Ended up putting a quick little dent in the pipe right here, and it fits way better now. Nice. Nice. Okay, so everything is buttoned up. We got all the charge pipes, everything mounted good. My fuel line is pretty good. We routed everything properly. So now we're about to bleed the clutch real quick. But yeah, should be pretty dope. Sal over there tuning a car. Guys, first turn on. Will it start? Ooh, shit. Vacuum leak right there, but we just capped it off, so we should be good again. Turn it off. We actually figured out, I forgot a long time ago, I actually did puncture my intake manifold with the impact gun. So if you're ever putting your engine cover back on, make sure you don't use the impact gun, because you can actually crack your freaking stock, your plastic intake plenum. So I forgot a long time ago I did do that, so that's why it was sounding like that. But we should be good now. This is all the assembly lube, because I actually redid my head gasket just to be fresh on the fresh turbo kit. He's alive, baby! So everything's on, everything's good, everything turned on.
Pulled up the next day.
Freaking Georgie. Sheesh. Alright guys, officially boosted performance now. No more Soho kit. Sheesh. But I gotta find a downpipe because I don't have the downpipe for it. But other than that, car runs, turns on, everything is good. It's not leaking coolant, all that. So we should be able to make some really good power on this kit. Super excited. That man right there, gonna tune it. Saul, the sensei himself. But yeah, super excited, man. I want to see what it makes. What's going on? It's about like 4 days later, I want to say. But yeah, we got a lot of movement going on today to get the complete turbo kit basically done on the IPL. So I got a lot of moving parts and stuff like that, but I'm, tugging on a lot of favors from a lot of people I know. So we'll just kind of compile it all into one video. Getting the car towed from Unique over to my boy's shop. He's gonna weld me a new downpipe from the turbo to the rest of my exhaust. That's the first thing we're doing. And then after that, we're taking the cold side piping where my blow off valve is. We're chopping where the blow off sits, and I'm just putting straight pipe there, because what we're doing is deleting the blow off valve. I don't want one, so I'm good to go there. And then from there, we'll tow it back to my shop, and then I'll finish the piping, or I'll finish the vacuum lines for the wastegates, so that we can now drive the car. And then probably in a week or so, we'll get the car tuned by Saul. So a lot of moving parts right now, so I'll try to film it all and just see how it goes. We just got to Unique. Got my boy right here about to tow it to my exhaust shot. We're getting the car on right now. So, fire, bro. It's on the tow truck. About to get over there to my boy's shop, get it welded up. Yeah. Gee, look at me, boy. Look at me. We ended up taking off the front bumper. I got it right here. But yeah, now we are on the way to the exhaust shop. All right, so we just got to the exhaust shop right now. About to get this downpipe welded up, man. Super excited. All right, you guys, check it out. So we got the V-band on there. He's about to weld it. He's gonna weld the downpipe. And this is the last piece that we need, man. We'll be good to go. So super excited. So I'll pick this up when he's done. All right, guys, we are done. Got the new exhaust tips on there. And we got the downpipe on there too. Sheesh, here he is. Good to go. Oh yeah, super happy, man. Super happy. I'm about to route the wastegate line real quick, and that's it. We are in the car right now. We are on our way back to the dealership. I'm not stepping on it at all. I am going super slow. So, because obviously we don't have the tune yet. But yeah, just gonna get back to the dealership so I can get it there and we'll finish everything that we need to over there. But bro, this turbo sounds so good, bro. Listen to this. Oh my gosh, this sounds amazing. Way better than my other turbo. That flutter is amazing. I love it. How it sound. Bro, I can't wait to really get up on it, man. It's gonna be amazing. Hey, I can't wait. This thing sounds so good. Guys, we made it back to the dealership. Dang, looking nasty, boy. But bro, I absolutely love how this turbo sounds. This new turbo sounds amazing. So, but the car's gonna be at the dealership now until we get everything sorted, like little things, and then the Bluetooth tune. Then we'll take it over to Saul so you can go ahead and tune it. So, yeah.